Alright, y'all, I'm back with another video. You see what I'm doing. I got some chopped sirloin steak in here. I'm ready to add some rice to it. So, alright, y'all, stay tuned. That's what I'm doing right now. Stand by, be right back. Alright, y'all see what I'm doing today. Yeah, got it on the grill, y'all. Alright, sirloin steak chopped up. Yeah, buddy. Flip it over for you. Yeah. There we go. That's what we doing today. Alright, check it out, y'all. Alright. Now check the team out right there too, right? Yeah, there we go. Got some rice. Ready to put some peppers in there. Alright, y'all. Stand by. Alright, look what I'm doing. Alright. You see me? Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all see how I got it mixed up here. So I mixed both of them together. Sirloin steaks chopped up. Put them in the onions, green peppers. Yeah, you see what I'm doing. Yes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pour the rice on top of it, but I'll be back to show y'all that end result. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Don't forget to like this video too. Alright, y'all, be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. There you go again. I got the end results. So check it out, y'all. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Alright, make sure y'all give me thumbs up on this. If you're new to my page, don't forget to subscribe. Come on now, I'm that close to 1K, so help a brother out. I appreciate it. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get ready to, you know what I'm gonna do. So, you know, always gotta, let me do that taste test before I leave right now. Hold up. You know it's good. Well, unless you can call it pepper steak and rice. Yeah. All right, homemade pepper steak and rice. All right, y'all. What we gonna do? I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna get ready to get into it. All right, everybody be safe and be good. Don't forget to watch the next video somewhere in the corner. All right, I'm out. Peace.